Stop doing that said you're having some deep conversations for such a simple person as myself. um, the There is a saying, I forget who says it, but something about a life unanalyzed is not worth living. So the goal, I believe, is of life, several goals, but one of them is to understand yourself, understand other people, understand your place in the world, understand your purpose, find out why you're here, why you chose to be here, and to analyze life so that you're not just reacting, to uh, remove detachment from outcomes, to appreciate the order in the universe, to detach from things and from expectations such that you can move through life in a way that causes you the least stress and the most happiness. And the only thing that causes unhappiness in life, the only thing, is an unmet expectation. The only reason you are ever unhappy in life is because you are attached to an expectation that has not manifested. And the goal is not to rail against the outcome. The goal is to reduce the expectation, is to eliminate the expectation so that you're not so attached to the, not expectation, the outcome is to reduce your attachment to the outcome so that you are not blindsided, so that you're not shifted off your center by an outcome that doesn't proceed the way that you'd like to. So that's what I believe. And I don't think it's not something you have to be particularly astute or deep or philosophical to appreciate. I think even the simplest of us will be able to appreciate that.